Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Measure doorways and the route precisely, then confirm the floor can bear the safe's weight. Once done, clear the path and lay protective plywood to distribute load. Make sure to assemble moving straps and a heavy-duty dolly and recruit 4 capable helpers. You should place the safe upright on the dolly and strap it securely. This prevents tipping while you maneuver slowly toward the target location. Once the safe is on the dolly, continue with careful execution. Communicate roles, assign a spotter, and move in controlled steps while someone guides the tilt angle. Use sliders or a sheet of 1/4-inch plywood to bridge thresholds and spread pressure. This reduces floor damage. Make sure to pivot slowly around corners and remove trim only when absolutely necessary. Keep hands clear of pinch zones and pause to resecure straps if the load shifts. Steady, incremental progress prevents accidents and damage. To finish, place final plywood or a factory pad where the safe will sit and slide it into position slowly, using shims to level if needed. Once aligned, mark anchor locations and drill for bolts. Use concrete anchors on slabs or heavy-duty screws on reinforced wood. After bolting, test the safe's stability and operation of the door and lock. Make sure to recheck torque after 24 hours since settling can loosen fasteners. If something goes wrong, stop. Reevaluate anchor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.